Hello everyone, this is Lee with Logosbyly, and in today's tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to make an abstract logo design like this one. First we click on this icon to create a polygon. Make sure that the number of corners equals to 6. Now hold Shift and Control and left click with the mouse and drag. Now we have a polygon. Let's give it a red color and we drop the opacity down to about 50. And now select the red polygon. Hold Control and D to duplicate it. Now we have another one. Let's give it a blue color. Now we drag it till we snap this upper blue corner with this red right corner right here. Select the red polygon, duplicate it again by pressing Control and D. Now select them both. Go to Path, Intersection. That should give you a little piece like this one. Let's duplicate the red polygon again. We give it a green color. Now we grab it and snap it right here. Now we click on this red polygon and duplicate it again. Hold Shift and select them both. Go to Path, Intersection. Now we have these two little pieces right here. What we're gonna do next is we want to eliminate this area right here. It's very simple. What we're gonna do, select the this green area and hold Control and D to duplicate it. Now hold Shift, select the red polygon, go to Path and Difference. Okay, now it's gone. Let's do the same thing with the blue one, with this area. Hold Control and D, duplicate it. Now hold Shift, select the red polygon, go to Path and Difference. Okay, now we have this little beautiful cube. Now select everything, hold Control, press D, duplicate it and grab it right here. Control D again to duplicate it and snap it right here. Hold Shift and select these blue objects. Let's give them some light red color. Let's give those ones some dark red color. Now select everything, increase the opacity, and now it's done. Now hold Control, select everything, hold Control and G to group it together. Now I want to create some shading, so we hold Control and D to duplicate it. Now we just grab it till we snap this upper corner right here. We give it a black color, we drop it to the bottom. Now we drop the opacity down and give it some blue. Okay, drop the opacity more. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time.